A rubber power boat. Equipment: a water bottle, 4 rubber bands, a chopstick, a ruler, and 4 bottle caps. A bottle of glue. How to make it. 1. Measure the bottle with a ruler and drill 2 holes beside it that are larger than the chopstick. 2. Measure the bottle and cut it into a square hole with a ruler. 3. Cut the lid to fit the propeller. 4. Take the part from number 2 and cut it into the shape of a propeller. 5. Take the bottle to assemble the parts by inserting the chopstick into the pre-drilled holes. Attach the bottle cap to both ends of the chopstick. Then remove the cap of the bottle that has been cut. Take the propeller cut out into a square shape and attach it to the bottle cap in step 3. Six. Pull the rubber band and tie it in the middle of the chopstick, and then pull it onto the cap of the bottle while tightly closing the lid of the bottle. How to play it. Tighten the cover on the impeller and release it into the water.